In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot common audio issues you're experiencing on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath Get Up and Running, select Playing Audio, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then follow along with the on-screen steps of hopefully resolving your audio issues on your Acer device. Please note if you're using external speakers, you may want to make sure they're turned on and powered up as well. And you may want to try doing or using a different device if you're having a problem with one particularly difficult device to use. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.